In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use tags and segments to target emails in Mailchimp. Email marketing is key in reaching the right audience, and Mailchimp allows for powerful, precise targeting through the use of tags and segments. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to efficiently target and communicate with your intended audience. Let's dive right in. First, head over to Mailchimp's website and log into your account. Once you're in, it's time to create tags, which are essentially labels you attach to your contacts to identify certain groups. Start by navigating to Audience from the menu on the left-hand side. Here, you'll want to select the specific audience you intend to work with, especially if you're managing multiple lists. In the Audience dashboard, you'll see an option for tags. Select Tags. To create a new tag, click on Create Tag. This allows you to name your tag using identifiers that are meaningful for your email strategy, like VIP customers or newsletter subscribers, for example. Once you've named it, hit save and your tag is ready to go. Now, applying these tags can be done manually. Select the contacts you want to tag, click on Add Tag, and then choose the tag you wish to apply to them. This manual method is straightforward and gives you control over exactly who gets tagged. Next, let's move on to creating segments. From the main Mailchimp dashboard, again click on Audience, choose the audience you want to segment from, then select Segments and click on Create Segment. Here you'll set the conditions that define your segment. For example, you could create a segment of customers who have purchased a certain product or opened a specific email in the last month. After setting these conditions, click on Preview Segment to see the results. If you're happy with what you see, go ahead and name your segment and save it. Once you've got your tags and segments set up, you can leverage them to send targeted campaigns. Navigate to the Campaigns tab and click Create Campaign. Choose Email and select Regular Email. Then choose your audience and select either a segment or tag to refine your targeting. You might choose a segment such as loyal customers or opt for contacts with specific tags like VIP subscribers. This level of segmentation ensures your messaging reaches the right people. After finalizing your audience, it's time to design your email. Mailchimp's drag and drop editor makes customization intuitive, so take the time to craft an email that aligns with your campaign goals. Before sending, review everything thoroughly to ensure accuracy. Once satisfied, hit send. You've now successfully used tags and segments in Mailchimp to target your email campaign. With these tools, you can make your email marketing efforts much more effective, leading to better engagement with your audience. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.